Spooky
to spooky.
Okay, middle bird's fine. Wait till first oil, take it to skull, take it to skull. Okay, oil out, oil out. Ranged onto blue, please. Ranged onto blue. Ranged onto blue. And blue healers and DPS. As soon as these bikes come out, DPS the heck out of them and send them into the boss as soon as we can. Okay. Take oil to the middle most bikes first. Okay, cool, 2 bikes already going. If you've got the debuff, you stay in the middle, if you stay on boss, so you don't have to soak. Run oil out, please, run oil out. Okay, we're 4 on the stacks. Be soaking oil if you can. Soaking oil and taking to a bike. There's a bike that can be used.
They are
Clear oil in the boss where possible. Sorry, I've got a UI issue. That DC.
young DC.
Running it to, yeah, the boss is fine. Clear oil on the boss if you can. We need one more bike on boss, one more bike on boss.
You got it.
Right, bloodlust now, bloodlust now, bloodlust.
Beat the fucking shit out of it.
Right, support rig coming in from the back. CC please, CC support rig. Very good, that works. Ring of Peace works, so if we can get that up again, Ring of Peace again. Yeah, it's entangled, never mind that. Support rig please, entangle them. It's just a bit of an inconvenience to have the support rigs there, but as soon as the ads are down, it should be fine. Move boss back to skull, please. Just so we got more room.
Now it's repetition.
Ranged and healers, please, onto blue. Run your oil out. If you get targeted by the flaming boots, run it under boss immediately. Got lots of oil there. Most people should be able to soak. Right, lots of soaks coming in. Okay, bikes into boss. Okay, 1 down. Move oil up, please. There's lots of oil back here. Please be checking. Oil out, oil out. There we go. There's a bike that's usable. Make sure you're using it. Don't just leave it. If you notice that you get it to 100%, use it immediately. Alright, soaks back here. Hopefully we get, we're trying your best to get into a bike without. Fire, sorry, clear on the boss. We need one more bike on boss. Right. Let's find the support rig and CC it. Support rig coming out over here. We get a CC by Monk. Nice. This should be lots. Okay, big down on boss. Big down on boss.
Yes, we support the...
2 supports coming out. They we dealt with the sign. They done. Okay.
Just focusing up.
We will have one more phase of this, and then we should either kill it on the next removing of armor. If not, we will still focus all damage onto boss and ignore bikes, because by that stage it should be low enough. Range, please get onto blue. Right, ads coming out. Everyone should be able to soak these. Oil out, oil out. If you get flame on you, run it through boss, please. It's the most important oil right now to clear. Make sure you're running to the takeout. One bike coming out. Run oil out. If it's on you, please run it out. You're soaking oils. Run oil out. If you get oil canisters on you, run them into boss immediately. Run them into bikes. There's a number of bikes here that are usable. DPS the heck out of boss right now. You might gotta be enraged. Soaking oil if you can. Using bikes if you can. We should be able to DPS boss here. If we can get it done in 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3. Kill boss, kill boss, kill boss. Hey, rally. There we go. Kill boss.
Nice.
That's easy.
Easy peasy, boys.
What?
Yay, the solid buff.